I did, like right when I first walked in.
Okay, good, because I was afraid she wouldn't be here.
Do you feel her?
No, not yet. Mina, if you're here, you're supposed to help me. I got the recorder on. You can talk into this. Remember we talked last time. I can pull 2 chairs up. You don't need to do the marble thing because you don't have to do tricks for me. But there's 13 altogether here. I need you to help me with them. So can you let me know you're here? Touch that thing. It's called a REM pod. It detects your energy. And I brought you a balloon. And there's no bit in here, so if you want to move it around with us, you can. Okay, I'm going to stop it.
Mina, this thing won't hurt you. It just lets us know if you're around. All you have to do is touch that antenna and it'll do that.
We don't even have to be in the room with you. If you want us to come in here, set it off. We'll hear it. I got the recorder on. You can talk into this. Remember we talked last time. I can pull 2 chairs up. You don't need to do the marble thing because you don't have to do tricks for me. But there's 13 altogether here. I need you to help me with them. So can you let me know you're here? Touch that thing. It's called a REM pod. And it detects your energy. And I brought you a balloon. And there's no
What'd she
bit
say?
in here, so if you want to move it It's supposed to be me, but that's not me.
No, that wasn't your voice.
Saying I brought you a balloon, but it's not me.
That sounded like, yeah, you're the one that said that, but that sounded weird.
I got the recorder on. You can talk into this. Remember we talked last time. I can pull 2 chairs up. It goes low. You don't need to do the marble thing because you don't have to do tricks for me. But there's 13 altogether here. I need you to help me with them. So can you let me know you're here? Was that yeah, I can?
I couldn't tell.
It's called. That was yeah, I can. Touch that thing.
Yeah, that sounded like it was in the distance.
In the bar?
It's
maybe?
Called a REM pod. Let's hear it again. That's not Mina.
Touch that thing. It's called a REM pod. And it detects your energy. And I brought you a balloon. That's not me. And there's no bit in here, so listen to the change.
I did. It sounded weird.
And I brought you a balloon. That's not me. And there's no bit.
Well, the cool thing is, I recorded you saying it on this video camera, so we can play it back and see.
Yeah, that's not my voice. That's
No, that didn't sound like you. That was weird.
You notice I kind of tried to dress like a gypsy, and then I need you because something scratched me. I should have had that on. Okay, we're gonna come back in a little bit.
Yeah, because I don't feel that pressure on my chest like I did.
And I don't smell her perfume.
No, it was really strong when we were in here Monday. Should I just leave that on and see if maybe it goes
Yeah.
up? That way if she comes in, maybe
We'll
she
hear
can
it.
hit it and we'll hear it.
I smell something that's not right.
You what?
I smell something that's not right.
What does it smell like?
I don't know, something.
Stinky?
Yeah,
I smell something hot. It smells like hot
I
wires.
smell something hot, like hot wires, but I also smell something like rotted. And the funny thing is, I'm not seeing none of them.
Maybe they're just waiting for everybody to leave.
That might be. We got a recording, and it's not my voice. It's I say it,
but it says it on the recording in someone else's voice. Mike's recording me doing it. Listen
Wow.
to it.
Yeah,
You'll hear it say,
You said something
I
about the
said
balloon.
something and it says, yes, I can.
Yeah.
And then I say I brought you a balloon, but the voice that says I brought you a balloon isn't mine, so hold that up to your ear. I said I brought you a balloon, and he's recording it. Listen to it with Terry. It's not my voice that says it. It also says, yes, I can.
It's called a REM pod. And it detects your energy.
See? That's not me. That's
What
not
did it
me.
say? No.
I
you a
said-
balloon.
She did say it.
I said it.
And
I
who-
brought you a balloon, but that's not me.
Now,
Did
I
you
was-
hear it
I was
click, too?
videoing it when she
He was
did that.
videoing it, and when
And
I
as
played
I
it
was
back.
videoing it, and I heard her say
Wow.
it sounded just
That's
like her
cool.
Did you
saying.
hear the beginning part where you hear a female, but it's not Mina that says, yes, I can?
No, that's
But
somebody else.
that's
She
not
sounded like
Mina
she's
saying
further
I
away.
brought you a balloon.
No.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
not my voice.
No,
No.
you can hear it's not your voice.
It's not my voice. We left the balloon in there because I can't pick her up
You put
yet.
the REM pod out?
It's in there in
there.
case she
In
shows
case she
up
shows
because
up.
I'm
We'll
not
hear it
seeing
go off.
anything
What's the
right
REM
now.
pod? I want to go see
You
it.
haven't seen it?
Hey, sir,
Oh my
hand me a
gosh, it's our
camera,
new
whatever you want me to
toy.
run. FLIR
Okay.
camera.
I'm going to give you the other camera. The
Okay.
other one with the
Okay.
mounted mic.
Yeah.
The part where Liz said, and I brought you a balloon, when I recorded it with the video camera, it didn't sound like anything that wasn't, sound weird or wasn't Liz's voice. And then when we played it back on the recorder, as you can see, it sounded different. So we were trying to figure that out. Now I'm going to play a couple of clips. I'm going to show you the clip of her saying it that I captured with the video camera, and then the video of her playing her audio back so you can hear the difference in them, or what sounds like a difference.
It's called a REM pod. And it detects your energy. And I brought you a balloon. And there's no bit in here, so if you...
Touch that thing. It's called a REM pod. And it detects your energy. And I brought you a balloon. And there's no
What'd she
bit
say?
in here, so if you want to...
And I brought you a balloon. And I brought you a balloon. And I brought you a balloon. And I brought you a balloon.
But there's 13 altogether here. I need you to help me with them. So can you let me know you're here?
Was that yeah, I can?
I couldn't tell.
It's called...
That was yeah, I can.
Touch that thing.
Yeah, that sounded like it was in the distance.
In the barn?
It's
maybe?
called a REM pod.
Let's hear it again. That's not Mina.
Touch that
Nah.
thing.
We thought we might have an EVP here with that yeah I can voice sounded female, but as I mentioned, it sounded distant. So we were thinking that it could have just been background voices from the people in the bar. Here's the audio.
All together here. I need you to help me with them. So can you let me know you're here? Touch that thing. All together here. I need you to help me with them. So can you let me know you're here? Touch that thing.
Since the environment wasn't really controlled because we had background voices, we can't say one way or another whether we had an EVP here. It did sound like it was an intelligent response to Liz's question, but with it sounding so distant and with us having those background voices, we can't tell one way or another whether that's an actual EVP or not.
We're down again. Oh, we're at 0.4? Yeah, 0.2.
Okay, now
0.1. Okay. We're down again. Oh, we're at 0.4? Yeah, 0.2.
Okay, now
0.1. Okay.
It went from 0.2 to 1.3, 1.5. Still climbing. See if I get closer to that light. No, it's not the light.
Do you know where night vision is on this thing?
Yeah, just click it like that.
Perfect. Thank you. If you're in here, can you touch this like this? Let me find this on the camera. I was in wide angle. If you touch this will alarm and let us know that you're here. Can you please do that for me? It's called a REM pod. It won't harm you. I think I saw you go by the camera. But if you touch that, it will go off. Can you please do that? We just want to communicate with you. We don't mean any harm or disrespect. The owners say that they notice you're here. They notice someone's here. Okay. All right. If you want to touch that, and we'll hear an alarm and come talk to you.
I want you to capture both of these, right?
Okay.
See, now that's picking up, and that one's going down.
That shouldn't be that way, right?
No, it makes no sense.
Yeah, we're still steady on the right.
See, now look at that. It's
Yeah, that's weird.
fast
talking
backwards.
Yeah.
Everything's backwards.
That doesn't make sense. They should both
Now,
go
now
up.
it's going up. Look, it's at 1.4.
There we go.
1.6.
We need to set up equipment because there's customers pulling in and Pete's running them off, and I don't know if we should do that. They should be doing that.
Yeah, they should be doing that.
Keep the windows, I told Pete if I come in here and do EVP,
I just heard a laugh in the bathroom.
Hey,
and I
there's
was
people
blazing through.
trying to come in the parking lot, and my husband told them.
Did you hear that, Mike?
But we don't know if we should be doing
Yeah, that's
that.
fine. Yeah, we're closed for this deal.
What'd you say, Thomas? You heard something?
That's the
Well,
last
I was
one.
in the ladies' bathroom doing my business because we have a gentleman in that, and it just a little giggle. That was it.
Okay.
So she was giggling at me in the bathroom.
We should, if we had an extra recorder,
We'll
we
go.
should have Thomas carrying it around.
Yeah. I don't want to go in there just yet. We'll give that time to clear out. But again, this is the REM pod. If you can, please come touch it. Nothing we have here will hurt you. We just want to communicate with you. And for this thing on the table, it has a red light on top of it. I don't know if you can see red or light, but if you put your hand by it, it'll make that sound and change the lights. If you touch it, it'll light them all up. Can you please do that for us? Yeah, so
It just went off.
what did?
The REM
Oh, was
pod,
that it?
We heard it too.
Did it?
We need a camera in there.
Yeah, we do.
Now they're coming out.
All right. We heard the REM pod go off. Why won't you do it in front of me?
And you want a bottle of wine? I can get you a bottle of wine. You want it?
Right. Are you tall enough?
Cheers.
Do you mind if we take a bottle of wine?
No, neither I am. I'm just kidding.
Set that REM pod off, please. Just touch it. There you go. Pete, I'm seeing like orbs. It could be dust.
I didn't get nothing the other night or the other day in here.
Did you have orbs in here?
None.
Like even dust stuff or no?
No.
Wow, see, so it's
Nothing.
probably not dust.
No. I didn't get nothing in here.
Please set off this REM pod.
Flash.
It won't hurt you. You heard it a minute ago when we weren't in here. If you can't, set that off. We just want to communicate with you and hear your story. My name is Terry. This is Pete. We're from a paranormal investigative team. And we're just trying to find out answers and more truth about the afterlife. Are you trapped here? Can you talk to me? All right, I'm going to step out of here so you can play with that REM pod.
There on the camera.
I am?
No, these lights.
Yeah, look, that one's blinking.
Yeah.
Do you see that, Mike?
See how these lights?
Now it stopped as I put the camera on it. There it goes. Make that blink again. Please. There you go. Oh, man. Stop making it blink so I know it's you.
Those are turning colors.
Yes, I can, or whatever.
Yeah. It's magic.
Okay, one of the names that Liz wrote down when we came in here last week was Loretta. She's one of the spirits that's here. She worked here when it was a bank. Are you capturing this, Terry?
Yes, sir.
She worked here when it was a bank, good man. Died of breast cancer. So she's the one Liz said that came through with Liz's voice when she was talking about the balloon. We're trying to figure out who the other one is. bet it's this fan. Lights, yeah.
That's what I was
It
capturing.
hasn't been doing it.
That one never did it.
Never did it.
The one right under you. Or above you.
But there's 13 altogether here. I need you to help me with them. So can you let me know you're here?
Yes, I can.
So,
Is that Ann?
yeah,
It's called a REM pod.
Ann and Loretta. Okay, but I need to hear. That's not me.
What does it say? Something
I
about
brought you a
I
balloon.
brought you.
But I did say that, but that's not me.
Okay, I'm gonna stop it.
And see, when she said it, I was filming it, the video on it, so we should have it. But in my mind, I didn't hear anything that sounded anything different from Liz. When you listen on there,
It's not me.
doesn't sound like her. Like somebody else talking.
You
right
actually
over
hear
her.
the recorder go low,
Yeah.
and then you hear a different woman's voice, which is Loretta. I'm not going up there,
Let me do,
that other.
like,
and the
talking
same
over me.
you.
Okay, that happens. Just like it added to his phone, but normally it adds or takes away from the recorder. Okay, I'm gonna sit in the booth, and when I hear from you, then I will go up on that stage. But I need to know for a fact that was you that says it would be safe for me to go up there.
You have that light stop flashing.
He's making his light.
Please make it stop flashing. Tell me it's you.
A guy named Frank,
Come on.
He's at the bar with Sam.
Sam was his dog hunter.
If this light's no effect like this. it would-
Liz, are those
Light.
names?
Aaron is flicking the light.
Aaron, can you stop that, please?
Oh, Aaron is Thomas's mom.
Yeah.
Mike, it's Aaron, Thomas's mom, that's flicking this light. So his mom is here. Okay, sit down.
what? What was she saying?
She said it's
It's Aaron's
Aaron.
mom. It's Thomas's mom. Look at, I walk away and it looks normal.
I have to get something. That's
What
I
did it
have
say
to get.
afterwards? Or was that them?
It might be.
It's tough to tell. We're gonna have to have them not
I just
talk.
need to hear Mina. Well, if I was you, I'd call Thomas.
Go into that room.
Yeah, we'll let them have fun. We don't want to ruin it.
I just need to smell your perfume.
No.
What?
As soon as she said that, I heard no.
Really?
We're going to see if this got it.
My recorder's not on. Damn it.
This is.
See if it's on there.
Well, even if it is or it isn't, let's see. It wasn't her. That
Yeah.
was male.
Mina,
Yeah. How do you know?
is something trying to
You heard
get
it
me
too.
on that stage?
It was.
I don't know how.
Touch that. See? I need you. Tonight's not the night not to be here. Ah,
What?
I don't have a recorder on.
Want to pick that up?
I just need a chair to sit down. Oh, there's one right there by the door. Don't
That
even.
wine is slippery. Don't step in
Yeah,
it.
just grab that. That's why I tried to step over it. Okay. You need a chair? Well, I don't know. You're not here. I need you to move the balloon across the room. Make that go on. Okay. I need you to tell me it's okay. Who is that?
Something back here.
Terry's my brother, and you know Pete and Mike. I need to smell your perfume. I need to know you're here. I dress like a gypsy for you because you are a gypsy.
Does it smell like lavender?
No, last time, you can ask Mike, the smell was beautiful. I'm not smelling that now.
I smelled lavender when I came in here the first time.
That could be coming from the bathroom.
Ah, that's true.
I'm feeling somebody right here on the right because I can feel the tingling on right here.
That's Francisco. Frank, sorry Frank. Francisco, whatever. You need to go away. Okay, I'm gonna stop it.
Okay, I smell her perfume.
Do you? Let's see.
I need you to tell me it's okay.
He's laughing. I
Who was
didn't
it?
hear him laughing. Right before I said, what was that? Listen.
I need you to tell me it's okay.
That's
That was
Paquita.
definitely a laugh. That was a female laugh.
That was Paquita.
Terry's my brother, and you know Pete and Mike. I need to smell your perfume. I need to know you're here. I dress like a gypsy for you because you are a gypsy. No, last time you
I smell her perfume.
I think she's the one that's touching me.
There was another laugh after that.
Let's put it on this speaker.
Why, I know you're in here. I can feel you. Why am I hurting so bad right now?
Sorry, Frank. Francisco, whatever. You need to go away. Okay, I'm gonna stop it. Do you?
Okay, let's go back to the other one where we don't know what it's saying. Like if it's saying, I need to go to the house. I think this is. Leave that thing for me. Oh, I'm sorry. I told you earlier you didn't have to do tricks for me.
It's not tricks, it's just proof that you're here.
Like when you rode the labradorite, the marble thing last time. And then you messed up all the crystals. I can smell you.
Can you smell her?
Yeah, it's heavy. Oops.
Are you recording?
No, I just have it back to the first one so we can
Okay.
plug it in and see. But we're gonna have to tell them they're gonna have to be quiet.
Anybody got a light?
No.
I do, hold on.
And if they have light on your phone.
That's all right. I don't need it. I can see it. Okay. Did you get her? I heard a moan.
So did I.
I did too, with
Like
with my ear. I can pull 2 chairs up. You don't need to do the marble thing because you don't have to do tricks for me. But there's 13
stage.
Oh, that's what she was on.
Because they told Caleb I
What was that?
I don't know.
I'd be safe.
Voice over.
Back that up just a little bit.
Because they told Caleb I could, that I'd be safe.
Back it up again. I can hear it one more time. Sounds like she says, just keep something.
Need you to tell me if I can go up on that stage. Because they told Caleb I could, that I'd be safe.
Voice over hers.
Did you say safe?
No, that's not gonna happen.
You're safe?
Yeah.
That's probably me.
Okay. But I said safe right before you said it.
No,
Yeah, see, I
that's
don't
not
know.
gonna
But
happen.
The reason I said no, that's not gonna happen, is my head tilted.
because you can hear me and Terry in the background, so I could hear it
Stop it.
on the bus.
Okay, I think this one is where
The laughing.
it's laughing. I never did hear I gotta go to the house or get that.
I didn't either.
I never heard it once.
I need you to tell me it's okay.
We're in here, 'cause it's too quiet. There's the laughing.
That's down, I
What
think.
is that?
Did you need to talk to me, honey?
Terry's my brother, and you know Pete and Mike.
Come here, listen.
I think that's us.
I need to smell your perfume. I need to know you're here. I dress like a gypsy for you because you are a gypsy.
We didn't have control enough. We should have had silence.
No, last time you can ask Mike. The smell was beautiful.
Did you need me?
I'm not smelling that now.
I smell lavender when we came when I came in the first time.
That could be coming from the bathrooms.
Oh, that's true. Because I'm feeling somebody right here on the right because I can feel the tingling on the right here.
That's Francisco. Frank. Sorry, Frank. Francisco. Whatever. You need to go away. Okay, I'm gonna stop it.
Okay, I smell perfume.
Do you?
Don't
You
get
hear
done so far.
the laughing.
Listen, now it's real nice and quiet, right?
Yep.
Let's try and do another one. With nobody saying nothing, okay? Just do like a couple minutes, maybe.
Sorry. Okay, Mina. How come when I'm not talking, that's going up and down?
I don't know, it's just picking up something real light in the background.
Okay, let's stop it. Let's start over. Okay, Mina. I know you're here. I need you to tell me. I need to hear you say, I can go up on that stage. Because Caleb was told. And I know you're even younger. So just say, it's okay. And really, really want you to make that go off. And move the balloon. Maybe you're gathering
she in here?
No, Caleb, I need you and Karen. And
One or
you know, I even need
above
Joey
that back door.
to go out there and see if that dark whatever is keeping her from us. Because the only ones that have appeared to me so far is Frank.
Yeah.
Well,
Well, she didn't appear. She
didn't
just turned
appear.
the lights.
I know they're here.
Well, I mean, think of it this way. If whatever that is knows that Mina can help you get rid of it,
Yeah.
it's going to do everything it can to keep her out
Frank's
of here.
doing it. You text me. Okay, have we got everything set up?
Hey, Mike,
Mm.
when you review this,
Mm-hmm.
we've had a lot of things flying by the screen.
Really?
Do you think there's bugs in this room?
I haven't seen any.
I haven't either. I haven't heard them, seen them. Something when Liz first sat down. When you review it later, watch. It goes, shoots off one way and comes almost like a V.
Really?
Yeah. It could be a bug, but it happens so quick. I'm still filming, by the way.